10 seconds, 5 seconds. Start. We are now going to have annual plans. Every year, a report of the annual plan will be placed here, which will give a more precise indication of the targets for that year. I hope to place a report of the annual plan of the first year of the second 5-year plan before this house during the next session. We have said that our objective is a socialistic pattern of society. I do not propose to define precisely what socialism means in this context because we wish to avoid any rigid thinking. Even in my life, I have seen the world change so much that I do not want to confine my mind to any rigid. But broadly speaking, what we mean when we say socialist pattern of life, we mean a society in which there is equality of opportunity and the possibility for everyone to lead a good life. Obviously, this cannot be attained unless we produce the wherewithal to have the standards that a good life implies. We have therefore to lay great stress on equality, on the removal of disparities, and it has to be remembered always that socialism is not the spreading out of poverty. The essential thing is that there must be wealth and production. There is a good deal of talk about ceilings, and one naturally tends to agree with it because one wants to remove disparities. But one has always to remember that the primary function of a growing society is to produce more wealth, otherwise, it will not grow, and one will have nothing to distribute. If in the process of fixation of ceiling or in any other method of producing some kind of equality, you stop this process of wealth accumulation, then you fail in your objective. Therefore, whether it is in industry or agriculture, the one and the primary test is whether you are adding to the wealth of the country by increasing the production of the country. If not, you become stagnant in that field. In order to reach equality, as I hope we shall, sometime or other, we need not follow the road of some artificial fixation of ceilings, but 100 paths which gradually take us there. An artificial attempt may indeed prevent us from reaching it. Remember this while we plan, while we work, our population also grows. I have the house just now, the estimated figure of our national income in the next 20 years. By the end of that period, the population of India will be round about 500 million. This rate of population growth is not that very great.